Hey there, it's Miley with Cloud App. Today I'm going to show you how to do a poll in Slack. And this is a simple feature if you're wanting to ask a question to your team. I'm just going to show you in my personal workspace, but you can do it in any channel that you're a part of. So you're going to do backslash and then poll. Then you're going to do a space and then quotation mark, and then you'll put in the question. So okay, so then you'll close the quotation mark, then you'll do a space, and then you can do all of your answers in quotation marks. So we're going to do okay, so now once you've closed out all of those, you'll just want to make sure that you have a space in between each answer. You'll just click enter, and then the poll is ready to go. So the polls, I'll show you next how to do an anonymous poll, but for this one you can vote. You can vote on several of them if you want. So I'm just going to show you how to do that really quickly. Then you can also, in order to make this anonymous, because basically right now you'll see that who voted for each answer, you're going to do poll. So I'm just doing that latest one, and then I'm going to put anonymous. So now when I do an anonymous poll, it'll just say that someone voted for it. So that's how you use the polls. It's a fun way to interact with your team, either to ask serious questions or just fun questions. If you want to learn how to make your own tutorial video, check out the link in the description.